In life, we can be just like a mountain, standing strong, courageous, and a support for others on their path. You could say the mountain is your strength, your resilience, even your worthiness. However, there are times in life when we experience sorrow and fear, and we forget our mountain nature. In these passing moments, we become the river that runs down the side of the mountain, full of emotion like sadness and fear. But what I want you to know is this: if there is ever a time that you feel swept away by grief or pain, this does not define you. It doesn't define your worthiness or your future. There is always a mountain of courage and peace residing deep within you. You will always survive because the mountain within you is forever mightier than the river that it helps on its way home.